Greek-style roasted butterflied chicken with potatoes smells and tastes amazing. Preheat the oven 425 degrees. To butterfly the chicken, flip the whole chicken on its breast and have the spine facing up. Use a pair of strong kitchen scissors to cut along one side of the spine and then repeat on the other side. After that, use half of a lemon and squeeze it all over the chicken while rubbing its skin. That helps cleanse the chicken from any remains from the butcher. Squeeze the other half of the lemon all over the chicken. Reserve the squeezed lemon for later. Bring butter to room temperature and add chicken seasonings and mix together. Add the butter seasoning mix under the breast, under the skin. Add the olive oil to the baking tray and add all the seasonings. Place the chicken on the baking tray and add half of the squeezed lemon under the breast. The lemon peel will add more flavor.
Ready?
Cut the potatoes in small pieces, about 1½ cubes, or boil large potatoes about 5 minutes. You can also lay the potatoes underneath. Include the garlic, the smashed garlic, the onions, oregano, salt, and pepper. Lastly, pour the lemon juice, water, and olive oil. Cook the chicken and potatoes uncovered for 45 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. When using a meat thermometer, the temperature should be measured through the thicker part of the chicken. When you take it out of the oven, let it rest covered for 5 to 10 minutes. Serve with your favorite fresh salad. Complete instructions are below this video in the description. I hope you try this Greek butterflied chicken with potatoes. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. I am in the middle of packing and moving to my new coastal kitchen. See you soon, and I hope you try this recipe.